Hi there folks, so for this video I'm showing you something that is bothering me and obviously a lot of people around the world. The possibility of a nuclear conflict. And as we are living in these times, I wanted to mark it on myself. I did this by hand and on a stick and poke manner, and I'm going to tell you about the process, my mistakes and how I went around them. For this one I went with a 3-round liner, and the main purpose was to do a red and orange tattoo with a little black on the ring only. And as you can see, I wanted to darken the red on the bottom since I don't have a darker red. However, I put way too much black to it and then it turned really black. Well, that wasn't my point and I kept going with the colors. So everything was going okay, but then it was time to tackle the problem. What if I do an outline from the darker side only? Well, I wasn't too keen on this and kept going with the outline overall. Well, at that point it didn't felt like a mistake, but I wasn't digging it that much either. So I thought of doing a little bit of gradient, so it could be dust from the explosion, and in my opinion it helped to ensure its place there. It felt a little more that it belonged there and not simply a random sticker with no purpose. Overall, and being a small and quick tattoo, I was pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? How would you go around this? Cheers and see you in the next video.